Good day to all prospective employers in Hong Kong. I am Angelica Fausto, 27 years old, separated. I have 2 children, both girls, ages 7 and 2 years old. My father's name is Joel Fausto. My mother's name is Armenia Fausto. I have 1 sister. I am first in the family. I am a Roman Catholic. I live at Gisingataran, province of Cagayan Valley. I am a college level. I took up practical nursing. I only finished first year. I work as a domestic helper here in the Philippines for 2 years. I work for 5 members of the family, 2 elders, 2 adults, and 1 child. My duties are taking care of elders, taking care of child, cooking foods, cleaning the house, washing dishes, laundry, ironing, car washing, marketing, simple gardening. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn high salary to help my family here in the Philippines. To all prospective employers in Hong Kong, please choose me as your domestic helper. I will promise that I will do my duties and responsibilities, and I will follow your rules and regulations. Thank you and God bless.